Dealing with ongoing health struggles and frustration with your body can be exhausting. It's time to shift your perspective and stop seeing your body as a problem. If you've faced body image issues, chronic illness, or you're tired of trying endless solutions that don't work, you're not alone. At the Revelation Wellness Health Summit, you'll join a community that understands your struggle. You'll uncover the root of your frustrations with your body and health while encountering the presence of God, who loves your body and wants you to live free from obsession or neglect. Without a clear health plan, it's impossible to experience lasting change. That's why this event isn't about just sitting and absorbing information. It's about actively learning how to apply it. You'll have dedicated workshop time, ensuring you leave with a personalized action plan that provides hope, clarity, and achievable goals for your future. You don't have to stay stuck in frustration about your health and body any longer. Space is limited, so don't wait. Register now for the Revelation Wellness Health Summit and take the first step toward discovering hope and a clear path forward in your wellness journey.